Morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. I'm just having my breakfast. I'm having a cup of tea and peanut butter on toast. And I've just noticed that this flower made my table's like covered in petals. Got to sort those out today. You might have noticed, you probably didn't notice actually, because there was a lot going on this week. I didn't put up a video last week. It didn't feel right. Actually, I didn't even film a video. You guys will know because you're online. I don't think everyone online has been totally aware, but I'm sure like me, you have seen what's happened this week. What started with something so tragic turned into the most powerful week I've ever witnessed in my 10 years of doing this job. Like what an incredible week, you know, for something to start off so sad to kind of be turned into something so incredible and so huge and powerful. I think most of us this week, whether you're a content creator or, you know, I know just my normal friends who have normal jobs, we've really taken this week out to further educate ourselves on racism globally, in our own country, in other industries, in our own industries. You know, the difference between not being racist and being anti-racist, understanding white privilege, and, you know, going through that quite uncomfortable stage of really coming to terms with what it means. As someone who's grown up in London with a very diverse group of friends and people around me all the time in my schools, I thought I knew it all, and I really didn't. And I've just learned so much this week, so much more than I already knew. I feel like for the first time, I know what actions I can take to play my part, and that's what's been new for me. I've always known about, maybe not all of the struggles, but I've always understood about racism, but I've never understood my place in it and how I can help. So that's been my massive learning for the week. I want to share with you guys down in the description box, because there's no way I can do it all justice talking to you about it now, but I'm going to share my Instagram captions so that you can see kind of how I'm going to be incorporating this into my life, mainly offline, because that's where it really counts. The conversations you're having with people, the conversations you're having with friends, family, brands, the actions you're taking, how you're raising your children, but also, you know, online as well, of course. I want to link to like some of the incredible resources that I've read and watched and listened to this week. I've been, you know, looking at everything on Instagram. I've been reading Candice Brathwait's new book, I Am Not Your Baby Mother. I've almost finished it, it's amazing. I've been watching programs, some of them on Netflix I've already seen, some I hadn't seen, so we've been watching them this week. I'm gonna share loads in the description box. If for some reason you haven't come across all of these amazing resources and you haven't read them and consumed them yet yourself, please just pause this video, take like 10 minutes, 20 minutes to go and have a look at those. I would really, really appreciate you doing that. I'm gonna keep the ads on this video, but I will be donating the AdSense of this video to charity, and Anna and I are recording our podcast this week. We delayed it last week, so we're gonna re-record today, and we'll be donating our first month of income from the podcast to Black Lives Matter charity as well. I will link below the charity and all the information on them. So there's no kind of like easy transition way to go back to posting the usual content, but I think you kind of have to just trust the content creators that you follow and know that they're incorporating this into their life now, and there will be changes. So today, like I said, Anna and I are recording our podcast. That's what I'm doing first thing this morning. After I've had breakfast, I need to go upstairs and prep for that. And I'll show you like our little at-home setup. And then I've got a few like Zoom meetings today, so I will vlog for you guys. Okay, I'm very excited to get recording our first episode. If you guys don't know about mine and Anna's podcast, because I haven't actually yet said it on my YouTube channel, if you follow us on Instagram, which hopefully you do, you would have seen that we were doing Instagram lives every week since lockdown started. I think we did about 11. You guys were loving it. You were so like engaged and so much amazing feedback. So we wanted to make it more long term. Obviously, we're not gonna be in lockdown forever, hopefully, and we're probably gonna want our Saturdays back. But also, we've been wanting to do a podcast together for so long, and we actually started one in September that never really happened. It was like on a different topic. So this just felt really natural for us to turn this into a podcast. how it works is it's kind of split into two halves. The first half we go through 5 different things: our highlight of the week, something we've seen online, something we've watched, a product we want to recommend, and what was the other one? Something we've eaten or drunk that week. They all have like cool different names. And then the second half is more of like a Q&A from you guys, and where we like discuss a topic more in depth. We actually have set up a Facebook page for this, so I'll link the Facebook page down below if you want to kind of get involved in our little community where you guys can leave us questions and topics. Look, he's just like snuck in while I'm recording. Hello, Missy. So Rich is going to take Gray downstairs so that, oh my god, she loves a tripod, so that we can record. This week is obviously going to be a bit different to the others. Oh, careful your head. Careful your head. But I hope you guys will subscribe to our new podcast. It's actually the same podcast that we had before, At Home With, but instead of At Home With other guests, it's At Home With Lily and Anna. And lockdown has taught us that we can do these things remotely. Like, we always thought we had to meet in London, which was really difficult logistically for both of us. So it's amazing actually that we've found a way to do it remotely. So Anna can stay in Brighton, I can stay in London. We use Skype and we use this program to record. I'll show you the setup now actually. So this is my microphone that I've had for years. Like, I got it when I used to do voiceover on videos, which I don't do anymore, and a little spit shield. So I've got that, and then we've got some headphones. I've got my laptop, I've got some notes, and I've got some like products. I won't show you those though, because if you want to know what we're chatting about, go and have a listen to the podcast. So yeah, really appreciate it if you guys would go and subscribe if you haven't already. Like, rate and review us as well, because obviously it's a different like style of podcast. So it would be great for new people who are discovering to kind of know what it's all about, really. Thank you as ever for the ongoing support. Right, I'm gonna phone Anna, we're gonna get started. We've got to like set it all up to record. We basically do it ourselves, it's crazy. And then we just have a producer who edits it, which is fun because I never have anyone like do fancy stuff like that, but it just saves a lot of time for us. I've got my tripod, I'm gonna record a little time lapse whilst I'm recording. So I'm gonna get on and I'll chat to you guys after. Hi Anna. Wave to the vlog. Oh, they're not going to be able to hear you because we've got headphones on. Okay, it's just waving. Just got off an amazing, oh, careful, 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 careful. I just got off an amazing Zoom call run by Vix Meldrew with loads of different content creators to just talk about what we can do going forward. It's 12:30 now. I've got an hour until my next meeting at 1:30. So I think I'm going to sort through my emails and then head downstairs for my next call so that I don't wake Gray. I don't know what to have for lunch today. We haven't really got anything exciting in the house. Okay, I thought today was going to be a good vlogging day, but turns out I'm having some long Zoom meetings. That one was 3 hours long, what the hell? So I'm just quickly making myself a coffee because it's 3 o'clock and I haven't had a coffee yet today. I have become a pro at making coffee since lockdown. Oh, we've got this Sage machine. Let me just go get my milk. I use Oatly, oat milk. Yeah, I've become quite the pro. Okay, it is the end of my working day, but it's still light and we have a bit of time left before Gray needs to go to sleep. So we are gonna go for a family bike ride. Obviously, very lucky, this is only something we could do whilst Rich is at home like this and not commuting back from work. But we, like you guys know, we've got bikes now and we're really enjoying going for little family bike rides and get a bit of fresh air. Gray loves it in her little baby seat. Obviously, we all wear helmets, we're very safe and it's really fun. We just like go around the parks. So that's where we're gonna go now. Okay, oh my God, I look so, oh my God, there's rice cakes all over my camera. Snacks for Gray. This is my bike. It hasn't got a name yet. I literally told Rich to get me any bike. I was like, I don't care, I'm happy with just like a black sports bike. And he got me the girliest, like pink, bubblegum pink bike with a basket. It's very cute, but yeah, it wasn't meant to be like some sort of Instagrammable bike. This is Rich's bike. In Gray's little seat. Nice just to be out in a bit of fresh air because it rained all weekend, so we didn't really get to go out. It's very, very nice. The the air feels fresher since there are less cars on the road for sure. Gray's having curry. That smells incredible. I'm so jealous. And I'm going to listen through to our podcast. Joel, our producer, has already edited it since we recorded it this morning, which is amazing. This whole process of just like recording it remotely is so much better. So I'm going to have a little listen now, and then that should be going live this Thursday. I'm making dinner while Rich does a workout in the garden. I'm just eating dinner and watching an Instagram live with Susanna Taylor and Ate Jewel. Is so interesting. All about, you quickly turn it down, just about behind the scenes of the beauty industry specifically and black women. Learning a lot from this. If it's saved to IGTV, which I think it will be, I'll link it below in the description box. If any brands watch my YouTube channel, please go and watch this video. It is directly relevant for beauty brands and there's so much good info in here. Please go watch this. Okay, dinner done and I'm just sitting down with a cup of tea. It's always so orange in this lounge because of the light, sorry. We are going to watch This Is Us because season 4 is on Amazon Prime and it's just the best show ever. We've watched so much good TV this week. Last week we watched Little Fires Everywhere, or like the week before last, and then we watched 13th, which is more like documentary style. We watched American Sun, which is, I didn't realise it was a play originally. It feels like a play when you watch it. Incredible. And we have started This Is Us. We've downloaded Parasite, but we haven't watched it yet. We want to, but it's subtitles, and I always feel like I really have to like be in the mood to concentrate with subtitles because my eyesight is so rubbish, especially. I'm still just like absolutely living for this cuddle that Gray gave me earlier. I know that sounds ridiculous, but especially when like now she's crawling and moving, she's just constantly fidgeting and wants to like get away. So when she like gives me a cuddle, oh my god, this is like the longest cuddle I think she's ever given me. She put her head on my shoulder and she just like cuddled me, and it's, I can't explain guys, it's the best feeling you'll ever have in your entire life, and I'm just like living for it. So I'm gonna end the vlog there. Please don't forget to check the description box below this video for like everything I've mentioned in this vlog. And yeah, if you haven't already listened to our podcast, what?
She's down.
She's down?
Well, yeah.
In a good way?
Yeah. She's went.
Oh no! Oh, she sat up and then fell?
No, but like she just went back sideways.
Oh god. Alright, sorry. Yeah, if you haven't yet checked out our podcast, please do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.